Hi dear students, this is nothing but one areca nut palm plant. Generally in Telugu we call it vakka palukulu, and if you can see, these are all nothing but vakka plants or areca nut palms. They belongs to monocotyledons, and here if you can see the patches, all these patches and these outgrowths like bird. Have you seen this? They are commonly growing on this plant. They are nothing but one type of lichens. Of course, these patches are also lichens, where one fungus and one alga, their association will be combinedly called as lichens, where that fungal association is called mycobiont and algal association is called phycobiont. So one mycobiont and one phycobiont combinedly called as lichen, and these outgrowths which are coming out of this one is called Usnea lichens, one type of lichens, and we commonly call it bird lichens or old man's bird lichens. And commonly they have another name. We call them Spanish mosses. So these are the best indicators that this area is a polluted free area. It's a great privilege to be here in this garden. Next time we will meet with another important and surprising matter. Okay, thank you.